Good evening, everybody. Welcome to the channel. Just had a little question brought up to me, and I thought I want to bring this out to all the viewers too and let everybody else answer the question what their opinion is. It's not just my opinion. I have my opinion and I'll stick to my opinion, but you know, I'm not going to change my mind because what everybody else says. But a question come up from a subscriber, and he actually sent it to me in Messenger. But the thing was, he said, I noticed that you don't always wear all the gear all the time. I noticed you wearing, like I'm right now, but I'm not doing anything extreme in my opinion. I'm fine. I know how to ride good enough. I'm not too worried about it. Yes, an accident can happen, but I don't wear all the gear all the time. Would you be better off too? Absolutely. I mean, to keep from skinning your arms up or whatever. But the most important thing, I think, his question went on saying, you know, I noticed that you don't wear all the gear all the time. I noticed that sometimes you're in short sleeve or just a light jacket and blue jeans. But he said, do you wear a helmet all the time? Of course, my answer was absolutely. That's one thing that I've always been on, is I always wear a helmet. I raised my kids on motocross bikes and four-wheelers. My wife, we always wear a helmet. I definitely believe in the helmets. Here in Missouri now, it's not a law. You're not required to wear a helmet as long as you're over the age of 18, I think. Maybe 21, 18 or 21. But anyway, but it's just common sense. I mean, you can take a chance and you'll probably be fine. I see a lot of people now in Missouri not wearing a helmet. But has nothing to do with dual sport. Of course, when you ride off-road, my goodness, you'd want to wear a helmet, because then your chances of crashing increase. You know, this ain't really off-road, it's just a dirt road, but definitely you want to wear a helmet. If you was to crash and bust your head, I'm telling you, it can kill you like that. I had a friend one time, he said, I'm not worried about wearing a helmet. This is an older guy, but he said, I'm not worried about a helmet. Only thing I got to worry about is myself. And about the time that he said that was kind of ironic, because as soon as he said that, his little granddaughter jumped up there on his lap, and I said, oh, really? All you have to worry about yourself. It doesn't matter to her if her grandpa gets his brain splattered on the highway and kills him. And he kind of caught the guy off guard. He's like, you know, you're actually right. So hopefully it changed that guy thinking that, you know, maybe it's a good thing to wear a helmet. But it is. Have I ever not wore a helmet? Absolutely. I have not wore a helmet. I mean, I might not wear a helmet when I'm at the garage and I pull down to my other shed down there on the bike. But as far as if I go down this road or any road, even leaving the house, I got my helmet on. Always have done that. One time I was riding ATVs and I didn't have a helmet on. I thought, I don't know, we're just going to run up there, up the gravel road for a ways, turn, we go up this big hill. Not going to go off-roading. And I didn't have a helmet on. And we went down and we broad slid this corner. We was all going fast, and I thought, you know what? I told him, I said, I'm going to turn around and go get my helmet. I think I'm better off to have my helmet on. So we turned around, went back. It wasn't even a mile from the house. Turned around, went back, got my helmet. Come down through there flying, just like I did, about the same speed as I did before. Sliding that corner to turn to go up this hill, and it caught and rolled. The four-wheeler did. It was a Suzuki LT 230 Quad Sport. It rolled, and I'm telling you, it rolled and it rolled and it rolled. It was a bad crash. It chewed me up. It chewed my arms up. It actually just almost destroyed the four-wheeler. It busted the swing arm, the bearing carrier, bent the bars, bent the A-frames. It tore that four-wheeler up. And my helmet, luckily, I had it on when I did the crash. And when I got home, I looked at the helmet. I was hurt pretty bad. My wife was like, oh my gosh, you know, freaking out. But the rocks, it was chapped. The rocks actually dug through the plastic on the helmet and into the foam on that helmet. I skidded so much on my head, hitting my head so hard and skidding, that it ground the helmet pretty good, and some of those chat rocks was plumb through the plastic into the foam on the helmet. That's how bad it was. And from then on, I decided no more. And that's before I had kids, I think. We may have had one. But I decided my kids will always have a helmet on too. I mean, it's a very, very important thing. So, definitely, I wear a helmet. Mine is a Climb Cryos Pro. I don't think the helmet brand matters. I mean, yeah, some of them probably protect better or they're lighter weight. Some of them, maybe the kind you want is better. I mean, some people wear them, especially motocross. You're going to wear one that's open face. It's full face, but it's open to where you can put goggles on. On dual sports, we usually wear a helmet like this Climb Cryos Pro, and we have the shield on it you can fold down, and this one has a shield that's automatically tinted. It's transition, so when the sun's out it tints, and when it's dark or the sun's not out it lightens up. It's very nice. This helmet is very lightweight, very good helmet. But I'm not advertising for Climb or for a helmet anyway. I'm just telling you, a helmet is very important, and yes, I do wear a helmet. Yes, I don't always wear all the gear all the time, but I'm pretty confident in my riding. Can I crash and skin myself up? Of course I could. It can happen anytime. But your vital part that's you're going to get hurt, I mean killed, is going to be your helmet. Definitely wear a helmet. And like I say, when you're a grown man, it's your decision. If you don't want to, don't do it. If you want to, do it. But I would highly recommend that you wear some kind of a helmet. So that's it for this video, guys. Comment below, do you wear a helmet all the time? Do you skip it once in a while when you're around town? You just want to put it around, check his car out. Glad I wasn't going any faster when a knucklehead just pulls out there like that. But do you skip sometimes and just run to the store and I ain't gonna wear a helmet? You know, you could still get hit by a motorcycle. That was kind of dumb saying that. You could get hit by a motorcycle. You could get hit by a car, I should have said. But do you wear it part of the time, 100% of the time? Have you always worn a helmet? Do you think it's a good idea? Do you think there should be a law that says you have to wear a helmet? I absolutely do not think there should be a law. Same way with the seatbelt. Yes, you should wear a seatbelt. Yes, you should wear a helmet. Should there be a law saying that you have to? Absolutely not. You know, I'm a grown man. I can make my decisions myself. I don't have to have the government telling me what I should and shouldn't do. So, no, it shouldn't be a law that you have to wear a helmet or a seatbelt. Thank you guys for watching. As I said, click the thumbs up. Check out my links below. Thank you all for watching Woodzman Adventures, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Right on.